For this problem, let's work out a 3-digit by 2-digit multiplication problem. So we're going to use the area model and the standard algorithm and show how those partial products connect to one another. So go ahead and let's set up our area model. So I'm going to draw a rectangle, and I'm going to go ahead and designate 343 as my unit. What am I going to do with 21? I'm going to break it apart. So I'm going to say this is 20 and this is 1. Now, to solve this problem, I'm going to start first by finding this area by multiplying 343 times 20. And that's a pretty easy problem. Let's just multiply 343 by 2 to begin with. So 3 times 2 would be 6. 4 times 2 would be 8. 3 times 2 would be 6. Now, I'm not multiplying just by 2. This is actually 2 tens. So I know that there's going to be a 0 here. So I'm adding that 0 there. So the partial product there to find this area is 6,860. Now I just need to multiply 343 times 1, and that's easy. That's just 343. Now, let's add those partial products to find out my answer. So I have 6,860. Make sure to line up your place values, so hundreds with hundreds, tens with tens, ones with ones. And I'm going to add. So I get 7,000, forgot to add my 1 there, 7,203. So what I did was when I put 6 here, I looked at my number and said 6,203. That can't be right because I was adding 6,860. So I can't get a smaller number when I'm adding 2 whole numbers. So that's why I recognized that I had made a mistake. And I needed to put my 7 there. So I remembered my 1. So that's what I got for my area model. Let's see what we get when we use the standard algorithm. So the standard algorithm, you're going to set it up just like this. So kind of the same way we would do when we're adding. Then I'm going to start with my ones place down here. 1 times 3, that's 3. 1 times 4, that's 4. 1 times 3, that's 3. Now, what you should be noticing is that partial product matches with that one. Now, to move on to our 2, or our 2 tens, what do I need to put here? A 0. So now I can multiply my 2 times 3, which is 6, 2 times 4, which is 8, and 2 times 3, which is 6. Now we're going to add those partial products. What you should notice is that partial product is the same as our area model there. So 3 plus 0 is 3, 6 plus 4 is 10, 8 plus 3 is 11, plus 1 is 12. Don't forget my 1 this time. And 6 plus 1 is 7. So you can see we came up with the same answer, the standard algorithm and the area model. We have the same partial products for each. So that is how these two methods are connected.